Hi guys, welcome back to No Madness Creations. Listen, guess what showed up? I'm so excited. Hold on. Mattresses. So I got 6-inch mattresses for the little camper on wheels, and I can't determine where to put the graphics on the wall until the mattresses are in and I can see the height. So I'm really excited. Well, let's get these put in the camper and see what they look like. Okay. Oh, and look, I didn't show you guys. Update. The silver is on the edge of the counters, and as you can see, the epoxy is poured. I did add the silver to give it a little bit more depth and just a little sparkle because it's a glittery silver. So I think it turned out really good. The sink will be over here. Sorry about the sound, but he's unwrapping the mattress. And we'll see how it looks over here. And we got this wall up, and this will be a pantry for food and, air fryers and whatever. All right.
See any more tape?
No. Maybe on this end. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Well, they wrap it, don't they? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what have you done? Oh, my gosh. All right, all right. Well, that's nice.
Pick it up.
That is nice. Ooh.
Nice.
Whoa. Hold on, back it up. Let me see it from all its glory. That is so nice.
Fits perfect.
Perfect. We'll check the height with the mattress. See, look at it. It's perfect. We don't need to take those little legs off. See? What you gonna make for a top on that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Mattress number 2, sir. Mattress number 2.
Okay. This plastic's good.
I love this. So nice. That's a really good memory foam. And it comes with the cover, which is awesome. Bounces right back. Boom. Boom. I love it. And then now I can figure that wall out. You know what I mean? Those are perfect. Okay, we'll let them expand overnight. And then tomorrow, I will put the graphics up. Hello, guys. Today is this wall right here. Behind the beds. Or couches. Call them what you will. Now, here's my graphics. Here they are. I don't think I'm going to go too crazy because I don't want it to be overwhelming, but here they are. I'm loving the way this matches the wallpaper. All right. I'll bring you closer. Look at, doesn't that look cool? Then I'll show you up close. Here it is up close. Now, looking at the walls, counter, the retro, what color sheets would you put on these mattresses? The white, you can tell, is too white. Do you think a tan? Do you think, don't say green. I've got enough green going on in here. Do you think a tan, like the color of this right here? I'm thinking tan. Gray. This is almost like a tan gray look, right? Are you thinking tan? I have really cute throw pillows that are retro, and they have that tan color. Are you guys agreeing with me? All right, let me know in the comments. Here's where we're at so far. The floor, the counter, and now the retro's starting to come in. Got the fridge, air conditioning. You can hear it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What should I put on these? Should I do sheets only? Or should I do a thin bedspread tucked in? Hanging down, scalloped? What do you guys think? Leave a comment. So there you go. There's your vision. Definitely not white. It looks too sterile. All right, let me know in the comments. Love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the next time on No Madness Creations. Bye.